I want to talk straight to you today. I have IBS-D. I'm lactose intolerant. I've had many issues over my life. I'm 50. Trying to find out what works best has been difficult, but finally, I literally put together 4 things that have saved my life. Peppermint oil, digestive enzymes, a probiotic, and finally, whole psyllium husk. The psyllium husk is probably the biggest thing that has made a change in my life. I take this in the morning, 2 tablespoons. It gives me 7 grams of fiber. This is massive. Whether you have stomach issues, if you have hemorrhoids, anything like that, this is going to change your life. Now, there are tons of stuff out there, Metamucil, stuff where they put a bunch of extra fake sugars and all that. I would avoid it. This is just simple whole psyllium husk. I found this to be the best. It gels up well. That's what you want. You want it to gel up. You got to drink it quick, and you want to drink it with a cup of water. This is going to save the day. If you take that along with a probiotic, that is going to be the best combo. This has some specific strains that are meant for people who have IBS-D. Now, everyone's different and how much you take. This has 30 billion. They have some with more. This works for me really well, and I take these in the morning. The 2 other things that I take are for when I eat. I take a digestive enzyme and then a peppermint oil here. Now, this is very high in peppermint oil. It's 400 grams. So if you take both pills, you might burp up peppermint. You might feel that. This settles my stomach, and I will take 1 or 2 of these before a meal. On the peppermint oil, you want specific stuff. You want at least 180 milligrams for it to work. And then I take this with the meal, depending on how much protein or carbohydrates. If it's a high protein, high carbohydrate, I'll probably take 2 to 4 of these. It's going to be up to you to kind of figure out what works. So if you're looking for a combination of what will work, I would take a look at all 4 of these. There's other brands out there. You can do a check and see, but these are the things that I like.